How to find your phone contacts on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to find the phone contacts that we have on our Instagram account is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner. Click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to go to Account Center. After that, we just have to scroll down until we find your information and permission right here. You just have to tap on that, then click on Upload Contacts right here. We just have to pick our Instagram account, let's say this one, and we have to make sure that Connect Contacts right here is toggled on so that your phone contacts will be able to be synced in with the people that you may know on Instagram. This will recommend their accounts to your accounts and your accounts to their accounts. Now, if we go back to our Instagram profile, let's say right here, and click on this button right here that says Discover. After that, we just have to tap on See All, and we will be able to see the suggestions of Instagram of the people that we may know or the people that we may have contact with on our phone. So that's how to find your phone contacts on Instagram. Hope we help.